Over 120 students at Horizon Middle School were recently recognized during their academic assembly, the Night of the Stars, for their participation in the Josten's Renaissance program. The students maintained grade point averages of 3.5 to 4.0 for the entire year. The program works to increase attendance, academic performance and behavior, and to boost an overall school spirit. Horizon Middle School is the only middle school in the country to receive the 2021 Platinum Tier Award for the Josten's program. Horizon's assistant principal, Liz Dalzell, also received recognition as one of Josten's Educators of the Year for the entire nation.
It's a huge honor because I know some of the caliber of teachers and administrators that have been nominated for this type of award through past celebrations, so it's overwhelming.
Liz is everything that Renaissance is about. So from the beginning of when we started this 8 years ago, Liz was the person who jumped on board immediately, and she's really the perfect person to celebrate kids.
I love that we recognize kids for everything they're a part of, and who, as they grow and develop through middle school, they have the opportunity to keep earning those recognitions, and they get a fresh start each quarter to earn it.